Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If an angle is 13 by 23 times its supplement, then what is the value of that angle? So let's assume the angle is x degrees. Therefore, its supplement is equal to 180 minus x degrees. So if an angle is 13 by 23 times its supplement, so let's see, x is equal to 13 by 23 times its supplement. This is given. So we have to find the angle, that is x we have to find. So we can take 23 to other side and we have 23x equal to 180 into 13 minus 13x. Therefore, let's take this 13x over to this side. We have 23x plus 13x equal to 180 into 13. So what we have here is 36x equal to 180 into 13. So x equal to 180 into 13 divided by 36, which is equal to, this cancels out to 5. So what we have here is, so this is equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So we have x equal to 65 degrees. This is the answer.